Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can screenshot a Snapchat, a snap without knowing. So it's really easy. So when you get a Snapchat or anything, what you want to do is like really simple. You need to download a program which can record or screenshot for you. Because if you're gonna screenshot with your mobile like this, when I'm going to screenshot, your friend is going to get notified. But if you're going to the recorder or whatever program you want, just download it, and then you can make images, you can make whatever. So right now, let's see that I'm recording a video right now. So when I click on the Snapchat and I go to chat and I go like to team Snapchat, I can use it anymore. I can't do it anymore. But if I would click it, I can just easily just record it or screenshot it with my program. So this is how you actually make it, and this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.